Welcome to a quick guide on mastering stock counts with the TotalCtrl app, making inventory management faster and easier than ever before. Step 1. Starting your stock count. Open the TotalCtrl app and navigate to the Stock Count section. Here you'll find the Start Stock Count button. Tap it to initiate a new count. You'll see a list of your inventory items ready to be counted. Step 2. Counting your stock. Select an item to begin. As you count, simply enter the quantities directly into the app. To make the counting even faster, you can filter by categories by using the drop-down menu. Step 3. Completing your stock count. Once you've counted all items, review your entries for accuracy. Then submit your count by pressing the Complete Stock Count button. The app will update your inventory levels automatically, giving you an up-to-date view of your stock. And that's it! You've successfully managed your stock count using the TotalCtrl app. With TotalCtrl, you save time, reduce errors, and maintain an accurate inventory with just a few taps on your device.